Hi guys. Recently I bought an item and the staff forgot to remove the security key. I've seen some videos on YouTube. They look complicated. So I thought of trying my own. Of course, I took some of their inputs. And the only tools I used is this pliers, standard pliers. I think it should be available, and a screwdriver. So what I did was so I tried to pierce the screwdriver. um, I mean, of course it's very dangerous, so don't try that. And then I tried to use the pliers and you know try to cut that part. And what I found is I think the focus, okay, that black point, the black thing is the one that is the lock. So this is one of the part which is on top of it, this one. So I tried to push it initially like this, but I realized, why don't I break it? And when I broke it, that's it, it opened the lock. Hope this helps. Bye.